हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल यूनिफ प्रेप हब। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ कॉमर्स क्लास 11th का क्वेश्चन पेपर। ये सेट ए है। इसका भी एग्ज़ाम आज यानी कि 27 अप्रैल को हुआ था। जैसे कि हम इसको टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं, वैसे इसे भी पार्ट में डिवाइड किया हुआ है। ये पार्ट 1 है, फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 50। पहले क्वेश्चन जो है वो 5 क्वेश्चन इस पैसेज से रिलेटेड हैं। अगर आप ये पैसेज पढ़ेंगे तो आपको इसका आंसर्स मिल जाएंगे बहुत ईजली। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज सम ऑफ द बॉयज़ वर जेलस ऑफ सैमी बिकॉज ही वॉज। इसमें दो आंसर्स करेक्ट बन रहे हैं। एक है हैविंग अ गुड बिहेवियर विद एवरीवन और सेकंड जो है वो डी अ स्टूडियस बॉय ऑफ द क्लास। सो मोस्टली जो आंसर होना चाहिए वो ए होना चाहिए। आप बताइएगा आपने कौन सा टिक किया है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, चूज द ऑप्शन दैट बेस्ट कैप्चर्स द सेंट्रल आइडिया ऑफ द पैसेज। मेरे हिसाब से बेस्ट आइडिया ये है सी, डू एवरीथिंग विद अ गुड हार्ट, एक्सपेक्ट नथिंग इन रिटर्न एंड यू विल नेवर बी डिसअपॉइंटेड। आप बताइएगा आपने कौन सा टिक किया है ज़रूर। नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग विल बी द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट टाइटल फॉर द पैसेज। मैंने इस टाइटल को जो नाम दिया है वो है द स्टोलन पेन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, चूज द ऑप्शन दैट करेक्टली स्टेट्स द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड अराउज्ड इन द पैसेज। फॉर दिस द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, अवेकन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, व्हाट इज द मैसेज कन्वेड इन द लास्ट पैरा ऑफ द पैसेज। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ए, बी अ गुड हर्टेड पर्सन। Question number 6, our family is planning a trip in the mountains is an example of what kind of sentence? It is D, declarative sentence. Question number 7, wow, I have never been in a city this huge. It is C, exclamatory sentence. Option number C. Question number 8, what would happen if you had an accident? Correct answer is option number B, interrogative sentence. Question number 9, fill in the blanks with correct form of tense. This time tomorrow my friends dash to their hometown. Correct answer for this is option number C, will be traveling. This time tomorrow my friends will be traveling to their hometowns. Question number 10, Amin could not open the door because one of the other students dashed it from inside. Correct option for this is D, had locked. Amin could not open the door because one of the other students had locked it from inside. Question number 11, every day even when it rains heavily, Kaushik dashed for a morning walk. Correct answer is C, goes. Question number 12, at this moment dash an exercise to review the tenses. Correct answer for this is D, I am doing. At this moment I am doing an exercise to review the tenses. Question number 13, dash Prem in Hyderabad. Correct answer is A, did you meet Prem in Hyderabad. Question number 14, he had a break after the dash for 2 hours. Correct answer is C, has walked. He had a break after he has walked for 2 hours. Question number 15, he dashed the piano every day. Correct answer for this is D, plays. He plays the piano every day. Question number 16, which tense is used to express permanent truth? Correct answer is C, simple present tense. Question number 17, which tense is used to express an action that began in the past before some point and continue up to that point? Correct answer for this is C, past perfect continuous tense. Question number 18, which tense is used to express an action that has been recently completed? Correct answer for this is A, present perfect tense. Question number 19, choose the present perfect tense from the given sentence. What did you find in the rain? It is B, what have you found in the rain. No, it is A, what does you find in the rain. Question number 20, choose the correct answer. The correct answer is C, the children have been studying since morning. Question number 21, Peter said to John, you can use my car tonight. Correct answer for this is A, Peter told John that he can use his car that night. एक्चुअली इसमें मुझे थोड़ा डाउट हो रहा है क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 में. आई थिंक इट वुड बी नन ऑफ द अबव. आपने इस पर क्या किया, आप एक बार बताइएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. अभिनव said I am going to play the drums. Correct answer is A. Abhinav said that he was going to play drums. Question number 23. The teacher asked, have you completed the homework assignment? The teacher asked if we dashed the homework assignment. Correct answer is B. Had completed. The teacher asked if we had completed the homework assignment. Question number 24. She said to me, where are you going for the vacation? Correct answer is D. She asked me where I had been going for the vacation. Question number 25. He said she's going to the party, isn't she? Correct answer is B. He confirmed whether she was going to the party or not. Question number 26. यहाँ से मैथ स्टार्ट होती है. LCM of two co-prime numbers is always. Correct answer is A. Product of numbers. Question number 27. The number of polynomials having zeros as minus 2 and 5 is. Correct answer is D. More than 3. Question number 28 पे चलते हैं. The pair of equation x is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to minus 5 graphically represents line which are. Correct answer for this is B. Intersecting at minus 4 and minus 5. Question number 29. If the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has equal roots, then c is. Correct answer to this question is B. B upon 2a. Question number 30. Find the sum of first n terms of odd natural numbers. Correct answer is D. 2n minus 1. Question number 31. If in triangle ABC and DEF, AB is equal to DE and BC is equal to FD, then they will be similar when C is D equal to D. Angle C is equal to angle D. यानी कि option number C. Question number 32. Point A minus 5, 6 is at a distance of. Correct answer is option number C. Under root 61 units from the origin. Question number 33. Under root 1 plus 10 square theta is equal to. Correct answer is C. Cosec theta. Question number 34. The region between a chord and either of the arcs is called C. A segment. Question number 35. A sector is cut from a circle of radius 21 cm. The angle of the sector is 150 degree. Find the length of the arc. Correct answer is C. 55 cm. Question number 36. If radius of a sphere is 2d upon 3, then its volume is. Correct answer will be 4 upon 32. I think यहाँ पे थोड़ा मिसप्रिंट है क्या कुछ. इसका आंसर बन रहा है ये वाला. हाँ, C. 32 upon 3 pi diameter cube. Question number 37. In a grouped frequency distribution, the mid values of the classes are used to measure which of the following central tendency. Correct answer is B. Median. Question number 38. 10 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 90 good ones. If it is possible to just look at a pen and tell whether or not it is defective. One pen is taken out at random from the slot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. Correct answer is C. 0.90. Question number 39. Under root 3 is. Correct answer is D. An irrational number. Question number 40. If alpha and beta are zeros of x square minus 4x plus 1, then 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta is minus a alpha beta is. Correct answer इसका बन रहा है A3. Question number 41. If 2x, x plus 10, 3x plus 2 are in AP, then x is equal to. Question number 41 का करेक्ट आंसर है डी 6. Question number 42. If the length of the shadow of a tree is descending, then the angle of elevation is A, increasing. Question number 43. Which of the following are not similar figures? D, isosceles triangle. Question number 44. The equation which has sum of its roots as 3 is? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है बी, माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3x minus 3 is equal to 0. Question number 45. If the points A, 1, 2, O, 0, 0 and C, A, B are collinear, then correct answer will be C, 2A is equal to B. Question number 46. If the circumference of a circle and a perimeter of a square are equal, then area of the circle is equal to area of the square. Question number 47. If a cone is cut parallel to the base of it by a plane in two parts, then the shape of the top of the cone will be a C cone itself. Question number 48. While computing mean of group data, we assume that the frequencies are A, centered at the class marks of the classes. Question number 49. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current is? Option number C, 6 km per hour and 4 km per hour. Question number 50. If we change the shape of an object from a sphere to a cylinder, then the volume of cylinder will? C, remains unchanged. तो ये सारे क्वेश्चंस जो मैथ्स के थे वो सारे NCERT से लिए गए हैं और बहुत ईजिली इनके सॉल्यूशंस भी आप मिल जाएंगे, क्योंकि इनमें से बहुत से क्वेश्चंस हैं जो मैं पढ़ के भूल चुकी हूँ, फॉर्मूलाज नहीं लगा पाई, तो मुझे इनके आंसर्स भी बहुत ईजिली मिल गए हैं. ये वाली बात नहीं बोलनी थी, कोई बात नहीं, मैं कट कर देती हूँ. तो ये सभी क्वेश्चंस काफ़ी इजी हैं और क्लास 10th के NCERT से ही लिए गए हैं. आप मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए कि आपको कैसा लगा क्लास 11th कॉमर्स का पेपर. इजी था, टफ था, कैसा था? नेक्स्ट पार्ट जल्दी ही आएगा. दैट वाज इट फॉर द वीडियो. थैंक यू.